Well, you can see I have placed another trade here. It's a clear higher trade. The reason is very simple. Here it has a gap. Here is the change of character happened. Because of the gap, I placed the trade. Though it's my first gap, there is risk involved, but I will analyze the market according to the gap. Let's see, if I lose, I will analyze the market according to the gap. So I own the trade and I don't have to analyze more. Perfect. I just took another trade here. It is the target. Okay, let me explain. The market, you can see it has broken, though here I got a losing trade before, but now the target is not yet liquidated, and here it is the gap. Let me draw the gap for you. It is the gap, and here it is another gap, a very nice gap. The candle patterns are nice. It's called breakaway gap. That means break and it goes away. So breakaway gap. So it should mitigate, not mitigation, it should liquidate the target and reach the target with this candle like this. Can you see? Well, all the gaps are not powerful. Sometimes I get some losing trade because here I got a losing trade. I don't remember, but here I got one losing trade. And the candle was going down, but still you can see it's a winning trade. Yeah, sometimes you will get some losing trade, but the ratio is very low. The gaps sometimes work good and sometimes bad, but if you can filter properly, then it works good. That is how it works. Okay, after analyzing the market for a long time, I decided that it's a uptrend, and it should be a higher trade because there you can see it has a gap here. So as long as I am trading with gap, you can see it is the gap that I will trade, and it's my target. Can you see? It's my target. So as long as it did not touch the target, I just was waiting for the perfect gap with the color change candle, and then I placed the trade. It's only $5 trade, and it's a big winning trade. I was analyzing the market for the last 5 minutes. You can see I just drawn the levels: BOS, higher high, lower low, change of characters and everything. It's the change of character. By the way, I'm following SMC pattern, which is called smart money concept. Liquidity is not yet taken, so it will there is a chance it will also go higher. You can see here is the level, and here it did not touch. The liquidity is not sweep yet. So I said before, I am following the smart money concept. That's why you can see it is the first gap. It is the first gap. If you want to trade in binary with confidence, then gaps are very important. You can see here it is one gap, and here it is another gap. You can see here it is one gap, two gaps, and there are no gaps, and here it is the third gap. So third gap with color change candle is of course powerful, and here I would say the first gap was not winning. Always the first gap is not a powerful gap, but the second gaps are very powerful. You can see second gap winning, third gap is also winning. You can see I said before, this is a higher candle. As I said, it's not liquidity is not sweep yet, so it should be a higher candle. Now let's wait for another gap. If I find another gap here, I will also place the trade. If I show you my progress, I started with only $50, and here is my trading history. I had some losing trades, then I increased the trading number like 2, 3, 4 trades, and my balance is now 160. That means at a 3x I have already gained. I am trading very slowly with following the strategy. Sometimes I place 2, 3, 4 trades according to the market pattern with confidence. So my balance is increasing gradually. You can see $160 from $50. If you are interested in binary trading, patience is the key, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Binary Logic, and don't place any trade without logic. I wish you good luck in trading. I will see you in another video. Thank you.